Hello, my name is Victor Gonzalez, and today I talk about my job. Currently, I work as a credit advisor at Banco Nacional of Panama. My responsibilities include evaluating loan applications, reviewing credit histories, and advising clients. I got this job through a public co-after specializing in finance. What I like most is helping people achieve financial goals and time work. However, excessive paperwork or tight deadlines can sometimes be stressful. For now, I want to stay healed because I value stability and my work's social impact. My main reason is contributing to clients and the country's economic growth. In the future, I like to specializing in loans for small business. Thank you for listening, and I hope this information is helpful.